Are you tired of your Salesforce records looking like a messy spreadsheet? Learn to build custom page layouts in under 3 minutes. We'll start in Object Manager, create a new layout, then drag and drop the exact related lists your team needs. Start by clicking on Object Manager from the Setup menu. Then, select the object you want to customize, like lead, account, or a custom object. Now, click Page Layouts from the left navigation panel. Then click New to create a brand new page layout. Enter a name for your page layout and click Save. Scroll down to the Related Lists section in the Page Layout Editor. Now drag the related lists you need onto the layout, like activity history or case comments, to match your business needs. Once you're done, click the Save button from the menu that appears. Then click Save again to apply your page layout changes. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.